Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to read your Kikoff credit report. Let's get straight into the video. First off, let's understand the credit report sections. Now the first section is the credit report header. Now the top section of the report contains your personal information, including name, the address, and date of birth. The credit account section lists all your credit accounts, including loans, credit cards, and mortgages. The payment history section shows your payment history for each credit account, including on-time payments, late payments, and missed payments. Now for credit inquiry section, this section lists all credit inquiries made on your credit report, including inquiries from lenders, credit card issuers, and employers. For public records section, this section includes any public records related to your credit, such as bankruptcies, foreclosures, and tax liens. Now when reading your Kikoff credit reports, the first thing you want to do is to check for errors. So you got to review your credit report carefully to ensure all information is accurate and up to date. You also want to verify personal information, so you got to confirm that your personal information, such as your name, your address, date of birth, all of that is correct. And also you want to review credit accounts. You got to check that all your credit accounts listed are accurate, including account balances, credit limits, and payments. You can also check payment history, so you want to verify that your payment history is accurate, including on-time payments, late payments, and missed payments. You also monitor credit inquiries. You want to make sure you check that all credit inquiries listed are legitimate and authorized. Now let me show you how to understand credit report codes. Now there are payment history codes. These codes are such as P, which means paid, L representing late, and M representing missed, which indicates your payment history. Now for credit account codes, there are codes such as O for open, C for closed, and D for default, and these indicate the status of your credit accounts. So that's pretty much it for how to read your Kikoff credit report. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And